So the glue will become, if it's left on the panel for quite some time, the glue might become quite brittle, in which case you can put some IPA in it, the release agent here. You can squirt that on and it will start coming up in tiny little bits. If that's happening, grab your heat gun, just flash over the top of the heat gun. You'll see the glue start to go from like an opaque colour to slightly clearer. You don't want to go too far, because if it goes too far you're going to heat the glue up too much, and again it will be a bit annoying to get off. Once you've got that heat in there, you've got the elasticity back into the glue. Go over again with our IPA, and then you can just peel the glue off in one continuous bolt. If your tab is still attached between the glue surface, so if you pulled the glue tab enough that the tab is still attached to the glue and the panel, what we don't want to be doing, especially on rounder tabs, just grab one of these out here, we don't want to be having our tab like this and bending it left and right to try and break the bond, because what that's going to do, that's going to put multiple dents in either side of our tab, so really not a good thing to be getting into. So how do we get it out? A lot of people will say, well, we'll just pull it harder. If you pull it harder, obviously you're going to put excess strain on the tab, but then you're also going to pull a high spot as well. So again, grab your heat gun, a little bit of heat around the surface area. Now if you think about our pulling temperature, we want our pulling temperature to be around that sort of 29 degrees when we start setting up our tool. So we can get to somewhere around there. The excess glue that's splayed out from the side of the tab, just get our nail, lift it up. Once that glue's warm, that will just lift up nicely. Put our release agent in there. It's not going to happen instantly. Right? It's going to take a couple of seconds, and then the tab will start working underneath the glue, and then the tab will pop off, and you can peel the glue off. So that's the best way of getting that